You've all heard him say it. Door knocking is dead. My name is Jeremy Smith. I am here to help you live an epic life in real estate through giving you some information from my experiences in the industry. And something that is very near and dear to me is actually door knocking. Now, depending on who you listen to, you may hear that door knocking is dead, right? Some people don't like door knocking. They say it's super ineffective. I'm gonna go ahead and challenge that and give you some reasons why door knocking, one, is not dead, and two, is the best investment that you can actually make. At this time, I would encourage you guys to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so that you get notifications of more content as we post it here. The page is still relatively new, so we're gonna be putting out a lot of content this year. We would love for you to benefit from that. So let me tell you the number one reason why I know that door knocking is not dead. One, it's a practice that I still put into play. I've got a farm area that I do about 25% of the business, and there's about 100 homes in this community that sell every single year. And a lot of the business that we get in there comes from door knocking, right? We'll go through for whatever reason we're door knocking. Now remember, it's gotta be something of value. Gotta be a reason why you're door knocking, not just to ask somebody if they're willing to sell or have thought about selling their house. We're gonna go there and we're gonna bring an item of value to them. And we have specific scripts that we use. We have specific ways that we stand at the front of the door. And we have ways to get information that we need back in return so we can now add these people to our database. So in this farm area, what I have done, I started door knocking, giving items of value, providing information, offering to do free CMAs, monthly market update reports, getting email addresses and phone numbers from them, adding them to my database, and then actually following through with those promises. Over the years, I mean, it's been probably over the last 5 years, probably about 40 transactions have come from door knocking in that particular neighborhood. Now, I don't just door knock in that neighborhood. There's another area that I have door knocked before because we had a home coming on the market, low inventory. So we walked the neighborhood to say, hey, want to give you a heads up before this house hits the market. If you know anybody wanting to move into the neighborhood, we've got one coming soon. I will send you the details of what's the best email address for you. That script and that 1 hour of door knocking ended up in 6 closed transactions. So all that to encourage you that door knocking is in fact not dead. Of course, make sure it's legal and you're abiding by all your local rules and laws and all that when you do door knock. But when done the right way, with the right intentions and the right scripts, your door knocking can be not only super effective, but very, very valuable to you and your business, and also to the people who you interact with as you door knock. Again, my name is Jeremy Smith. This is Living an Epic Life in Real Estate. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at info@smichteamdfw.com. You can also post your questions down below in the comments. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications of future videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.